CIMA released August 2019 pass rates for CIMA exams, CIMA OTQ 2019 pass rates, September 2018 to August 2019. CIMA OT first-time sitters pass rates. Operational level. E1 79%, P1 50%, F1 76%. Management level. E2 89%, P2 55%, F2 54%. Strategic level. E3 75%, P3 60%, F3 60%. CIMA overall OT pass rates. E1 86%, P1 66%, F1 83%, E2 95%, P2 72%, F2 74%, E3 85%, P3 77%, F3 77%. CIMA Case Study May 2019 pass rates. Operational Case Study, OCS 59%. Management Case Study, MCS 70%. Gateway Exam 32%. Strategic Case Study, SCS 65%. Compared to the February Case Study 2019, the pass rates were improved. For OCS it's increased by 2%, MCs increased by 9% and SCs increased by 7% respectively. Please feel free to comment below about your thoughts regarding the pass rates. Click the link below in the description to check all the pass rates. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to receive our future videos.